Have you ever stared up at the night sky and wondered if everything we think we know about the universe might be completely wrong? The cosmos is full of mysteries that challenge our understanding of reality, and some of the most mind-bending theories sound more like science fiction than actual science. Yet brilliant physicists and astronomers take these ideas seriously, even if they remain unproven. From hidden dimensions to civilizations beyond our reach, these controversial concepts could rewrite the laws of physics or even change our place in the grand scheme of existence. One of the strangest ideas floating around is the simulation theory, which suggests that our entire universe might be an artificial construct and incredibly advanced simulation created by an intelligent civilization. Think about how realistic video games have become in just a few decades. Now imagine a society thousands or millions of years more advanced than ours. Could they create a simulated reality so perfect that even we don't realize we're living inside it? Some scientists argue that if any civilization reaches this level of technology, they would likely run countless simulations, making it statistically more probable that we're in one of these artificial realities rather than the real one. It's a bizarre thought, but one that's hard to completely dismiss. Then there's the Fermi paradox, the puzzling question of why, in a universe so unimaginably vast, we haven't found any evidence of alien life. With billions of stars and planets, many of which could support life, where is everybody? One unsettling answer is the dark forest theory, which paints the universe as a dangerous place where civilizations stay silent to avoid destruction. The idea is that any advanced society might see newcomers as threats and eliminate them before they become a problem. If that's true, the reason we haven't heard from aliens isn't because they don't exist, it's because they're hiding, afraid of being wiped out by something even more powerful. Speaking of aliens, what if they've already visited Earth? The ancient astronaut theory proposes that extraterrestrials came to our planet long ago, influencing human technology, architecture, and even religion. Ancient structures, like the pyramids of Egypt or Stonehenge, seem impossible to build with the tools available at the time. Could advanced beings have provided knowledge or assistance? Some even suggest that myths and religious texts describing gods descending from the sky might actually be records of alien encounters. While mainstream science rejects this as speculation, the idea persists because some ancient achievements still defy easy explanation. Black holes are some of the most mysterious objects in the universe, swallowing everything that comes too close, even light. But what if they're not just cosmic vacuum cleaners? The black hole cosmology theory suggests that every black hole could be the seed of a new universe. Inside, matter is crushed into an infinitely dense point before exploding in a new Big Bang. If this is true, our entire universe might exist inside a black hole from another, older cosmos. Picture an endless chain of universes, each born from the collapse of another. It's a dizzying thought that we might be living in the offspring of a long-dead reality. Even more perplexing is the nature of dark matter and dark energy, which together make up over 95% of the universe. We can't see them, we can't touch them, and we don't even know what they truly are. Some theories propose that dark matter could be evidence of a parallel universe exerting gravitational influence on ours. Others suggest dark energy is the force that will eventually tear the universe apart in a catastrophic big rip. The fact that we've built our entire understanding of physics on just 5% of what's actually out there shows just how much we still have to learn. Then there's the holographic principle, which turns our perception of reality on its head. What if the three-dimensional universe we experience is actually a projection from a two-dimensional surface, like a hologram? Some physicists believe that all the information in our universe might be encoded on a distant boundary, meaning everything we see and feel is just a shadow of something happening at the edge of existence. If true, the solid, tangible world around us is nothing more than an incredibly convincing illusion. Time itself might not be what we think it is. The block universe theory suggests that past, present, and future all exist simultaneously, like frames in a film. Time doesn't actually flow, we just experience it moment by moment. This would mean that the future is already out there, fixed in place, and free will might be an illusion. Every event in history, from the formation of galaxies to the choices we'll make tomorrow, could already be written into the fabric of spacetime. Perhaps the most terrifying idea of all is the false vacuum theory, which proposes that our universe is in a fragile, unstable state like a bubble that could pop at any moment. A random quantum event could trigger a wave of destruction, rewriting the laws of physics at the speed of light. Entire galaxies would vanish without warning, replaced by a new reality with completely different rules. The most unsettling part? This catastrophe could have already begun somewhere in the cosmos, and we wouldn't know until it was too late. The universe is far stranger than we can imagine, and the more we learn, the more questions we uncover. These controversial theories push the boundaries of science and philosophy, forcing us to reconsider what we think we know. Whether any of them are true remains to be seen, but one thing is certain: the cosmos holds mysteries we're only beginning to understand.
Hey there, if you're enjoying this video and appreciate the effort behind it, don't forget to like this video. It really helps the channel grow, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Oh, and one more thing, share this video with your friends. Spread the love and support. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Let me know if you want any tweaks.